The next exercise we'll do is called meridian flow. So we're going to move the energy down the yang meridians of your legs and up the yin meridians of the legs and back. So we start with the hands here towards the low back and your hips, and we draw the arms down, those yang meridians of your legs going all the way to the feet, and then we trace the fingers over the feet, and now we draw the hands up the inside of the legs, up the yin meridians. Take a deep breath, and then exhale. And as you exhale and go down the leg, you lean the body forward. So again, listen to your body. You may not be able to go as far forward as I'm going. Maybe you can only go to here, and that's fine. Listen to your body. No matter how much or how deep you're able to stretch, you're still getting a nice stretch. Let's do 2 more. And I believe this is the last one. Good. Bring your legs together. Shake them out. Shake them up and down, in and out. And then bring your legs to a cross-leg position. Center yourself on your cushion. And from here, we're going to work on the meridian lines that run from the head down to the body. And we're going to start by just massaging the head and the neck. So take the hands, bring them to the sides, like around the temples, and you're going to draw the hands back as if you're running your fingers through your hair, towards the back of the head, and then down the neck, from the back of the neck to the front. And again. So we're making contact with your gallbladder meridian, your urinary bladder meridian, as well as your small intestine and triple warmer, I believe. This feels great. So we have muscles and fascia that run throughout the body, from the head down to the lower parts of the body. And I think the head very often is a neglected part of the body. So this kind of massage is really good to help us relieve tension that we hold in the head and the neck. Good. Now let's massage the front of the neck. We also can hold a lot of tension here. So with the palms of your hands, just hold on to the front of the neck, lift your chin slightly, and just pull down. This is where energy can be trapped in the neck. Yes, sometimes preventing us from speaking our truth, because we can feel really tight in the throat. It's a great way to open up this area of the body. Good. Now let's massage the back of the neck, right where the neck meets the base of your skull. So we have this point here. This point is called the occipital ridge that runs at the base of the skull. And what I want you to do is just take your thumbs, and you're going to hook them like so, and just press along that ridge. I'm pressing in, but I'm also pressing slightly up towards my skull, into that ridge, going from the center of the skull and going out towards the ears. It can be helpful if you bow your head slightly forward so that opens up the occipital ridge and those erector muscles that run up this point of the body. Yep, right along either side of the spine, you have those urinary bladder meridian lines that run on the right and the left side. And that urinary bladder channel is paired with your kidney channel. So those meridians and organs that are part of the water element. Good. So this is a nice massage. And then relax your arms down. Another one that I love to do is just where you take the palm of your hand and you just squeeze. So you hold on to the neck, one hand at a time. I think of this a little bit as like a stretch of grabbing the back of the neck, like a mama cat will grab the back of the neck of her kittens. Don't forget to breathe. Let's do a couple more. And just close your eyes for a moment. And just notice what you feel. Notice the sensations that you feel in your neck, shoulders, your head. We tend to hold a lot of tension, a lot of stress in our neck, shoulders, and upper back, and this is a wonderful way to release some of that energy that gets trapped there. Good. So now let's do another exercise for the neck and shoulders. Now we're going to stretch. So you'll take the palms of your hands and you'll place them at the lower back, but the palms are pressing together like this. Relax your shoulders and just draw your right ear to your right shoulder. Feel that nice stretch along the side of the neck. And then slowly bring your chin towards your chest and circle your head over to your left. And then take the head back slightly, not too far back, but up and over. And circle the head. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Let's go in the opposite direction now. Releasing lines of tension in the neck and shoulders and upper back. And when these lines in the body are free of tension, we're able to think more clearly. Because the energy is able to move from the body up to the brain and from the brain down to the body. Good. Bring your chin to your chest. Relax your arms. So we've worked the lower body, we've worked the head, neck, and shoulders. Now we're going to work the forearms. So here I am with my right arm. My right arm is down on my right thigh. And I'm just going to take my left hand and just massage from the crook of my elbow all the way down towards my wrist. Massaging along the yin meridians of my forearm and the yang meridians. So give it a little squeeze. You can do this with your hands. You can also do it with your other forearm too. And resting that forearm on your inside of your thigh. And then if you want to, you could turn over that forearm. So now you have the yang surface of your arm. And then you can just massage down. Good. And then from here, Let's turn the palm so it faces up, and just take your left hand to your right hand and just massage the inside of your palm with your thumbs. And you can go from the thumbs, from the heel of your palm all the way up to the tips of your fingers. Yeah. Because the meridian lines run all the way to the tips of your fingers. Sometimes the meridian can end on your fingers. Sometimes they begin on the fingers too. Good. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So again, you could rest your arm on your inside of your other thigh, and you can squeeze down with the palm of your hand, going down to your wrist. Or you can take your forearm and massage down along your forearm. Right now I'm massaging the yin surface of my forearm. And then the back of the arm, going down the yang. This is a great exercise, great massage for people who spend a lot of time on computers. So if you have tightness in your forearms, pain in your forearms and your hands, this is a wonderful massage to do. So we turn the hand to face up, right hand to your left palm, and massage out, going up, palm of your hand. Yeah, and then you can go all the way to the fingertips. Good. Shake it out, shake out your hands.